Hey guys, this is Flora Explorer signing in. Hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to share with you my experience in the pediatrics department. We were in total 8 interns, and as an intern we have total 6 spots to visit. So the first spot is the OPD, that is the outpatient department. The next spot is PICU, that is pediatric ICU. In pediatric ICU, we accompany one of our JRs and have sick patients from 1 month to 18 years old. When I was posted in pediatrics, PICU was the only place where we have night duties, and here we have to do vital monitoring the entire night. And the only thing and the only company that we have in PICU at night is this chair and table where we spend our rest of the night. To spend night efficiently, I would suggest making discharge formats for your postnatal duties. That would help you there. And this was all about PICU. Next two stations are two wards, the child ward 1 and child ward 2, where 2 interns are posted. Here is the procedure room where the basic procedures like sampling, cannulation, drug administrations are done. Here is a separate space for neonates, and here rest of the children are admitted. This is the SAM unit. This is our child ward 2, that is quite similar to the child ward 1. Next station is the postnatal ward, where you'll find a pediatric intern either finding files for making discharges or writing discharges. And also sometimes you get to meet your fellow OBG interns also over there. This is all we do in the postnatal ward. Next station is the sick neonatal care unit, that is located just in front of the labor room. Here's the SNCU where we have warmers and provisions for phototherapy for the newborn infants who need additional care. And here we have the NICU for the sick neonates. Here's the procedure room of the NICU. In NICU, we also have the KMC unit, that is the Kangaroo Mother Care Unit for the low birth weight babies. This is all about the NICU, and usually in the neurology department, we accompany the child for the EEG, and this is how EEG is being done. In the whole pediatric posting, I had a great experience. And in between our pediatric posting, we also had our COVID training demonstration classes too, and this has some visuals from that. If you liked the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. For closer interaction, you can follow us on our Instagram page. Until next time, I have been Flora Explorer, and I'll see you all in my next video. Keep planting a hope.